Hi, I'm Darlene.
And I'm Marty. We recently did a video on entry requirements to get into Mexico and another on exit requirements when you leave to get back to your country.
Since that time, we've done more research, we've done more digging, and we have found you the best website with all the info and all the links to all the documents that you need to travel to and from any country.
Any country?
That's right, any country. Woohoo! So the website you want to go to is apply.joinsherpa.com. You're going to start by filling out the information on your trip. Is it a round trip? Do you have connections? Are you vaccinated? What country is your passport from? Next, you fill out where are you traveling from and where are you traveling to. Then you're going to enter your travel dates. Hit See Restrictions. You're going to scroll down the page and click on Departures. This will give you all the information for your departing flight. Are there restrictions? Do you need a COVID test? Do you need a visa? What forms and documents are required to enter that country? Every form is listed with a link to that form. So whether you have to print it out and fill it out or fill it out online, the links are there. Now return up to the top of the page and hit on Return. Now you will see all the requirements for your return flight. Again, all the forms are listed there, as well as information on do you need a proof of vaccination and what is accepted. For this particular one, they're asking you to download the ArriveCan app, which is required for flying into Canada. That's all there is to it. If you found this video informative, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We just want to say a special hello to Nevaeh and Marley. Thank you for supporting us.
The Sherpa website appears to be up to date. However, before you travel, always double check with your own government for changes. The links are found below. This Sherpa website appears on many travel websites such as westjet.com, aircanada.com, airtransat.com, and hotels.com.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and watch for our next video coming out, packing for your tropical beach vacation.
Mucho gracias.